Meaning of heinous.
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 Heinous. The word heinous is an adjective that is used to describe an action or behavior that is extremely wicked, evil, or reprehensible. Such actions are considered particularly offensive and abhorrent by society at large. When someone commits a heinous act, it often leaves a deep and lasting impact on those who are affected by it. The gravity of such actions can cause people to feel violated, traumatized, or deeply hurt. Examples of heinous acts may include murder, rape, torture, genocide, and other atrocities that are considered some of the worst crimes against humanity. Those who commit heinous acts are rightfully regarded as villains and outcasts of society, and may face severe punishment for their actions.